It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Kisslove Hair. It's the first time I'm trying out a wig from them. So this is a package. I got it in a drawstring bag. So I have the wig here, which we'll get into in a few, and then we got a few goodies. Oh wow, so clearly this is a little delayed because I got a really nice press-on set here. You can see it's a Halloween set though. So yeah, then I have a pair of lashes, and I have a elastic band, and it's branded Kisslove. So that's really nice. And I also got a pair of wig cap. All right, lastly I got like a razor here, which is great to cut your lace, by the way, and edge brush and comb. That's everything in the bag. A 99J curly wigs, a 13x4 lace front, 99J curly wig. I love this. It's Christmas time and I love this burgundy vibe. It's 26 inches long, by the way. It's really nice and soft and silky. The color is very pretty. Look at that, gorgeous. It is lightly plucked. It is lightly plucked. You could definitely go in and tint and bleach this if you wish, because it doesn't come pre-bleached nor tinted, but it's lightly plucked. So you could even go in and pluck it more if you want more graduation. I'm still gonna install it as is though, so you can see that you can wear it straight out of the packaging. For the inside of the wig, we have a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back, a standard cap construction. I love how the color is from the root of the wig to the very tip, and I love the curl pattern. I am going to be doing a glue install with this wig. I love this. I absolutely love this. It's stunning. So, oh, and the density feels really good. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications as usual in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, now that you've seen the wig, let's go ahead and put this on. It's too pretty. This is so nice. I will remove this extra piece of lace in the back here, just to make sure you have a very, like, you know, clean look. By the way, it is a medium cap. Most all of my wigs that I always get, I always just get a medium cap. That's the standard wig size. So everything is lining up pretty well. It's a little bit longer on the sides for, you know, to go around my ears, so you know the drill. I'm gonna cut off the excess. For the glue, for the lace glue, I'm using my Erica J Hold Me Down, and I'll cleanse the area that I'm applying the glue with a wet wipe. So I'm just gonna go back in with my elastic band, and I'm gonna make my swoops here in the front.
woman that can take your spotlight.
I'm gonna take some spritz and kind of just like as a sealer for the edges. I'm gonna put it at the very edge, and then I'm gonna apply my elastic. This will help with the melting process, and this will also help with camouflaging the lace even more. So now I take my elastic band and I put it at the very edge, and I tie it very secure. I'm gonna take my wax stick and just kind of pull back, you know, the hairs, just to get that nice sweep back the back.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you.
Alright, I really feel like I want to do like a half up, half down. That's the vibe I'm in. So before I even move on to the edges, like, and finish up on that portion, I'm going to kind of like get into the hair. This hair is so soft, like, and it's nice and long and luscious. Wow, it's given 30 inches even though it's only 26. It's really true to length.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
Okay, that looks good. That looks great. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to the edges. I'm just gonna finesse it with some gel. You see this color? It is so pretty, guys. Now it is curly hair, so it will get tangled and matted if you do not like maintain detangling it on a daily basis, especially if you're wearing it for like a prolonged period. You want to be sure to do that. Like it catches me all the way down to my, you know, hips. Yeah, it's really nice. Like really true to length. It's giving 30 inches. I love it. This is gorgeous, and I love it in its wet I love it in this dry state. I really don't want to wet it up, but I need to show you guys the versatility of this. Like, its dry state is top tier. Like, the whole look of this made me feel like I would just go all like, this is so cute. Absolutely stunning. It's definitely giving fall. It's giving Christmas. Just giving what it's supposed to give. And I love that. I love that. As usual, you know, I'm going to put, well, you know, I'll insert a clip of when, you know, I got the hair wet and stuff here, so it does look good in its wet state as well. But ultimately for right now, I'm gonna keep it dry because it is a vibe and it's full to the tips. There is shedding, okay, so be mindful of that. It's curly hair, so you know, as I said, you want to detangle it regularly. And you know, I gave the edges a little bit of, you know, extra curves, you know, just to add some more, you know, character to the look, but it is so nice. So nice. So check out my description box for all the details on this wig, as well as the direct link if you're interested in ordering or getting this wig for yourself. Check it out. This is a 10. A 10. Kisslove Hair. This wig is lovely. It's a 10. Love it. So that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thanks so much for watching. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, Vlogmas is currently going on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, so please go ahead and check that out. I'll be sure to link it down below. It's lit over there. You don't want to miss it, so go ahead and check it out. Your girl is vlogging for 25 days straight. No breaks. So, you want to check that out. So, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. See, what's the point in waiting anymore?